Today we are going to reinstall the toilet. If you're putting in a new toilet, you can skip this part. Go to the installation part. Right here, we're just cleaning up the old toilet, making sure that we're going to have a good connection. My toilet's been sitting outside for a couple months while I've been working, so now I'm just cleaning it up before I bring it in the house. I'm going to put the tank on. You can kind of rock the tank a little bit to create a little less tension on the bolts, but you do want to adjust evenly the tension as you go around. Be careful not to put too much tension in any one bolt. Clean up around the drain, then we're going to put the wax ring or donut. This is an extra high one. I like the extra high ones. It gives me a little more sense of security when I'm putting the toilet on that I have good connection. Lift with your legs, not your back. This can be sort of tricky to line up, but if you line up the bolts in the holes, you should be pretty darn close. Now we put the bolts down. Really isn't a whole lot attaching the toilet. Here I'm putting a shim because my tile's right around where the bolt goes, and to hold the toilet down, there's a bit of a gap. I don't want to crack my toilet by creating too much pressure right there. So I want something that's solid to screw the toilet down to. If you have a gap right here without something backing it, it can crack. We're turning the water on, making very loud noises. Watching for leaks, making sure things are filling correctly. This is the same toilet that I took out. So, not perfectly wonderful in the back. It's been sitting outside for a little bit. It's been used. But very serviceable still. And there you go. Put the cap on. Give it a little tap. You're good to go.